we have a very nice condition Barrie accordion. It has 41 keys in the treble with 120 bass buttons. There are 2 reeds in the treble, low and middle, with 5 switches on the treble side. Some of those are duplicates. I'll go through the switches so you can hear what it sounds like. This is the bassoon. Oboe. Master. Also bassoon and also oboe. On the left side we have 2 switches, and this is what the switches sound like. Very nice, lightweight. It's in very nice condition. It's a beautiful taupe color. The bellows have a gold trim. It's actually in very nice condition. It's very lightweight. I'll play you something so you can hear what it sounds like.